Change here for the App Store, and here's how this is going to work. On January 1st, Apple is going to be lowering its App Store commission for developers, specifically those earning less than $1 million in store revenue per year, from 30% to 15%. This will impact a lot of developers, about 98% of businesses that pay Apple a commission, in fact. That's according to Sensor Tower. But these smaller developers accounted for less than 5% of App Store revenue last year. In other words, it shouldn't have any kind of material impact on Apple's bottom line. Now, not everybody is a fan, including some big developers like Basecamp's David Hansen, who on CNBC today called this program a Machiavellian ploy to divide the developer community. On the other hand, some smaller developers did applaud the move, saying this is going to make a huge difference to their businesses and could have ripple effects across the industry. Back to you all.
Josh, to what extent are people asking the question as to whether this is the start of a slippery slope for Apple? You cave once and you're just going to have to keep doing so again and again.
Yeah, so, well, the reason Apple says it did this now, of course, is because they'll say, listen, it's the pandemic. It's great economic turbulence. They know a lot of these small developers, these businesses are facing a tough time. Whether this leads to a ripple effect, well, I'm not sure I really see that. I think this was a very targeted move by Apple. Again, they're not going after the big developers, and some of those big developers weren't enthusiastic. They're really concentrating just with this move, just with this program, on those smaller developers, and there are millions of them around the world, and Apple's doing all it can here to make sure they stay loyal, engaged, and motivated to keep creating those new mobile apps. That's what helps sell those Apple products and keep those customers happy.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.